To create a shape in a PowerPoint, go to the Home or Insert tab. Click on the drop-down menu under the Shapes and select the shape you need. I will choose a rectangle. Something to remember is that if you want to make a square or a circle instead of a rectangle or an oval, press and hold Shift key while drawing the shapes. Here is a rectangle without holding a Shift key, and while I hold the Shift key. To make the shape larger or smaller, click on the shape to highlight it, bring the cursor to the corners until the cursor turns into a double arrow, then press and hold the left key of the mouse to reshape. To make the shape modification proportional, in other words, to modify the whole shape instead of just one side, press and hold Ctrl key while manipulating the shape. To modify the shape feel or the color of its outline, double-click on the shape to open the Format tab. You can use either presets or you can use the fill shape to choose your own color or no fill. Same can be done with the outline as well. To create complex shapes, you can combine or subtract two or more shapes. To do so, first you need to add the function to your Access toolbar. I already have it on my own, but I will take you through the steps anyways. To do so, right-click on the ribbon with your mouse. Select Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Under Popular Commands, select All Commands. All commands are in alphabetical order, so scroll down until you see Combine Shapes. Click Add and then click OK. To combine the shapes, you will need at least two shapes to be available. To do so, create another shape, and to make the creation much quicker, if you want to use the same shape, just click on the shape, click Ctrl key until you see the plus next to your mouse cursor, and just drag where you want it to go. So now all you have to do is highlight both shapes. You will see that the icon becomes active. Click on the drop down and use, for example, Shape Union. Something to remember is that if you want to subtract one shape from another, it will subtract the top shape from the one on the bottom. To bring the shape to the top of the bottom, just double-click on the shape. Under Format, click on Send Backward or Bring Forward. So now if we subtract it, we get an interesting shape. To make your final product more visually appealing, sometimes you need to align your shapes. To do so, highlight both shapes, click on the Format tab, click on Align, and align in the middle, top, center, and so on. So now if I do the same thing as shape subtract, we will get aligned and visually appealing image.